Welcome everyone. Let us tour Mediterranean Sea. Okay, you guys are going to enjoy, I promise you. Welcome. Hello friends. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. First of all, I greet you all and I welcome you all. Today I'm going to talk about the journey that I did yesterday. Yesterday I booked one of the best journey ticket. I booked a journey from Cagliari. You know, Cagliari is a capital city of Sardinia Island. Sardinia Island in Italy. You know, Italy, there is a Sicily, which is the largest island in Italy, then followed by Sardinia Island, which is the second largest island in Italy. So yesterday I booked my ticket from a company called Snorkeling. Snorkeling is one of the company here. They have a lot of the boats, beautiful boats for touring. So I booked my touring ticket there. It's quite expensive. You know, there are a lot of tourists here coming, so it's quite expensive. And I manage it like that. It's 55 euro per person. So we book this tour boat, then to go to a well-known or a famous place called the Devil's Saddle. The Devil's Saddle in Italian is called Sella del Diavolo. Sella del Diavolo, Italian language, and in English is called the Devil's Saddle. This is one of the famous tourist attraction site here in Cagliari, Italy. So to make a brief story of this beautiful place and this well-known tourist attraction site, it said that I'm not quoting it from somewhere. According to the skyber is a person who is responsible with the boat, the person who takes us through the sea, the water. So according to the skyber, he explained that the Devil's Saddles in Sardinia is the promontory that races in the southern area of Cagliari, Italy, and it separates the Poeto beach. There is a Poeto beach we first go it, that from that of Cala Mosca. There is also another Calamosca beach. This Devil's Saddle, its high point reaches 135 meters above sea level. The origin of the name is a legend of biblical origin, according to which the demons led by Lucifer were impressed by the beauty of the Gulf of Cagliari, and Lucifer warned to attempt to take over this place, but they were thwarted by God, who sent his troop under the command of the Archangel Michael to chase Lucifer away. Another person also said, the legend said that during the battle fought in the skies above the Gulf, there was a battle that was fought above the Gulf. That was the battle between Lucifer and Archangel Michael, which was an angel sent by God. So they fought above this place, and when they fought this place, so the Lucifer was thrown from his horse because Lucifer was riding the horse. So the Lucifer was thrown from his horse, and he lost his saddle, the saddle that we wear on our foot or on our feet. The saddle, the devil Lucifer, lost his saddle, which landed on the waters of the Gulf. So the saddle of the Lucifer landed on this Gulf and petrifying, giving rise to the promontory. The other story said that the other tale that the demon during the battle fell on the promontory, giving its current shape. So this is how they explain it, guys. They say that it's angels, angel sent by God. That is angel Archangel Michael, who was the angel who fought the devils, the Lucifers. That is to say the army of the devil and the army of the God were the one fighting. And when they were fighting, this Lucifer was then thrown down into this beautiful gap, and that led to that shape. So the gap is beautiful. This place is beautiful. The place called Devil Saddle, Italian Sala, then Diavolo. It's beautiful, and the shape looks like a saddle. Of course, it looks like a saddle. So that's why this place is attracting many foreigners around the world, especially around the Europe. So I'm one of the international students here in Cagliari, and it was my first time. I was fascinated to hear this story, and I have to go there to witness it. So yesterday we take a boat tour. The time was around approximately 3 hours and a half, moving from Cagliari through two beaches. Then until we reach that place. When we reach that place, the skyver stop the boat. He explained everything, and we also passed through the ancient army that was from the Second World War. Passed there, and the skyver is a good guy. Explaining every phenomenon we got there. We went there, we stopped, and we were able to swim, take shower there, that place. We take a snack. Actually, we really enjoyed it. And it was a good moment. Not for me, it was my first time. So I really enjoyed it. Even though I was afraid, spending 3 to 2 hours in the sea, so only in the water. So it's not easy for someone who is allergic to sea, or someone who is always afraid of a strong current or a strong wave. So, but I know how to swim, so I don't have to worry too much. So I have to handle it like that, and well, of course, I enjoy it. So that's how we do the journey. So you can see here, guys, we are able to swim. You see me enjoying swimming here. So for my first time to swim in Europe, in Mediterranean Sea, for my first time to swim in Europe. So I stopped swimming in Africa, I mean in 2009. Exactly 2009, because when I was young, I used to go to fish. I used hook for fishing. That's how I learned how to swim. I learned how to swim in 2003, I think. 2003. I was very young there. And the reason I learned, I get drowned first. I want to cross the shallow river, but there is a deep place there of which I don't know. So when I reach there, I get drowned. So until someone rescue me, and that one trigger me and make me to be strong to learn by myself how to swim. So I learned how to swim when I was very young, very young. So, and I stopped swimming in 2009. I thought that swimming I forget it, but no, I still did not forget it. So, and you can see how I'm enjoying it now. I used to go there, then come back, and here I just put my phone on top of the boat we were touring, and we were money. You see, we were money in the boat. We were eight, seven of us plus the Skyper. So Skyper. So we were eight. Some of the tourists were coming from Netherlands. Others were coming from UK. So we were in on the board were uh, those from the Netherlands, then those from UK, some Italian, and me from Africa. That's from South Sudan. So we enjoy the moment. Here you can go and swim. You take your time there, then come back on the boat. There is a escalator. Escalator. The skyper put the escalator so that you go down, and when you come also you come up with the escalator. So it's a very good moment, and that place is that you see is a beach. You see, guys, is a beach. It's far there, but we did not go to near that. We are inside deep in deep water. That's where we are able to swim. So if we go down there in front of that place, then I think it's not it's not that deep. You can see at the back there are also tourists. They are enjoying their time there. They have one of their boat there and they are money. Others are swimming. Others are on the boat. The problem that I did is that I did not buy this one, the clothes for swimming. There are material for swimming, but I did not buy them. You see, this water is very, very, very salty. You can see what I was saying. The one that this guy is wearing on his face, and that lady also is carrying something. These are very important here because this water is very salty, and you have to put that one on your face so that you can prevent this salty water to go in your eye or in your nose or in your mouth. Even I tested it. Some water go in my mouth and was really salty. You can even put it in your soup and you can cook your soup with it. So it's a very 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 salty water. This water. So the water was clear, but the problem my phone was not that well. Was not in good position, and it's not the camera is not good. That's why you see the water or the place is like not good. It's not in good shape. It was really a good place, but I did not have a good camera to capture this good moment. You can see others are there, but other people are on the other side. Uh, yeah, you can see them. They are there. It's not the only this. There is another where there are others there. So all people like swimming here. So you can see the place I was talking about. So this place is beautiful, beautiful place. So we enjoy our time here, and when our time finished, we are told to come back, and we have to go to another place. We are stopping 2 times. We stop 2 times to swim. Now, yeah, this is where we were going. So we were going on this way, and I was taking a lot of. I know I was live here. You see this phone? I was live on Facebook to let my Facebook friends also see the Mediterranean Sea. Some of them have never heard about the Mediterranean Sea, or some of them have never seen it. So I have to go live to show them so that they see how is Mediterranean Sea and how is Europe, how is Cagliari, how is Italy. So that's the reason I go live on Facebook and with that iPhone. And the iPhone was good. the camera is good, but the smartphone, the Android that I use to take this video is really very poor. It's a tablet and it's Lenovo. So it's a tablet. I thought the camera was good, but the camera is the way I see it here is not good standard. I would have taken very good video, but I promise I'm going to repeat this journey again. I will do another boat tour, but this time around I'm not going to this Devil Saddle. I will go to another well-known place, and I will also go to the beaches. Although we passed through 2 beaches yesterday in this journey, so I'm not going to those beaches again. I will go to well-known beaches here. There is a well-known beaches here which is ranked first in Italy, in Europe. So that beach, I promise I'm going there. Yes, only that you book your ticket, so someone can take you there. Maybe you go there either by boat or you take a car. But this place, there is no exact place because it's in the highest mountain. So we cannot take a boat tour, a car tour. So that's why we prefer to take a boat tour. It's another way also of enjoying the Mediterranean Sea. So look guys, how huge the Mediterranean Sea. It's very huge guys. I'm telling you. So there's a lot of water. You can see that there's a lot of water. But when we were on this boat, so we felt it that we almost want to overturn our boat. That the skyfall, the good skyfall, the spirit skyfall. We used to go there every day because they have this company, their company is well known. I booked it online by the way. So when I booked it, I was having some problem. So I have to call the number, and when I called the number, the lady who responded was in UK. The lady is in UK, but the company here is here in Italy. See how the business is. It's called snorkeling. Cagliari tour, snorkeling. Snorkeling. Cagliari tour, snorkeling. So the lady tried to help me. We do a call almost 1 hour. For me to send the money was really complicated. I try. We put all the information for my bank credit. It refused. It tried several times until we leave it. She said that now I think it's your bank who is preventing you from sending money to this online account. So what you need to do, you need to go and ask your bank permission so that you can send the money. I said, well, okay. So, but I did not ask the bank. I come again and do because we are using credit card to pay. But at this time, I come and change it to pay Apple Pay. So I come and change it to Apple Pay. So I get change. I transfer the money to the Revolut. You know Revolut also. You have to use the Revolut here because it's friendly. It's free for the customers. You send the money free. They don't charge you. So I have the account Revolut. I transfer my money from this bank to Revolut. From Revolut to the payment on Apple Pay. Because if you are using Apple, you have Apple Pay. If you are using Android, you have Google Pay. That's how it is. So I did it and I was like, we really struggle with this lady to pay, but it's confused, and now I make you it in simple way. So that's whereby I realized that you have to think if plan A is not working, you do plan B. If I, because if I have to follow the information the Navy give me that I have to go to the bank to take permission from there, it would have taken another day for me to pay this ticket. And I was planning to pay to do a touring on date 14, which was yesterday, but I was doing it on 13. Yeah. So that's how I struggled there. And here, this is the place. You can see, guys. We start the journey from around. Let me see, around. Yes, I arrived there starting point, and I arrived there at 5:50 because they say that you have to arrive there early, 10 minutes for starting time. So I arrived there early, and I don't know the place, so I use Google Maps. The Google Maps take me there until it stopped. So when I reach there, I check the sky bus. The sky bus says, if you see the red, orange, or in the orange flag, you can come and stop from 5 minutes. So I struggle to look for where there's orange flag. So there are a lot of flags. Companies have their own flag, and I'm colorblind, so it was hard to identify which one is orange. So, but I get it. So I came there, and there was nobody there. Oh well, it's not head, but someone watching this boat. I thought it was the one, but it's not the one. So, and I get this. These people touring from Netherlands, they were sitting down. I don't know that they were waiting for the same board also. The tour was. I thought they were just there sunbathing. Waiting also for this guy one to come. They were waiting also for other colleagues to come. That is what to do. Yeah. So that is how we did it. We went there and all these people came, and we opened the gate and we go and take our boat to this one famous place in Italy, especially in Sardinia Island, Italy. You know, for those of you who don't understand what I mean Sardinia Island, Sardinia is a region. Sardinia is a region, and island is Italian region, is one of the Italian region, and Ireland is one of the second largest island in Italy. And Cagliari is the capital city of Sardinia. You see, Cagliari is the capital city of Sardinia. So, and where we start the journey was the capital city of Sardinia. That is Cagliari. So, the boats are parked there in that place. And whereby we start the tour there. So went a long way. Yes. So that was it. Here we were also. I think we were returning. Something, yeah. We were returning now at this time. Because you see now that night. Because the journey started from 6. What evening, then we come back at 9 or 9 something, 9:20 something or 30 minutes. And so we spent almost the night there. Almost the night. You can see the sun down. We are still touring. It's not us, no, we're there. And there was other place where we go. There were a lot of touring there. There were a lot of touring there, a lot of people there. Most of them, we saw many drones. They have drones, they are taking photos, they are taking videos. Yeah, it only has our board, we don't have those things. It's only me who was taking it. videos and photos. Yeah, but some of them they take videos, but not like the way I was doing it. Although we were all using phones. No one is having drone or camera. So we use phone camera to take our photos and videos. So that's how we enjoy it. At this point, so let me allow you guys to enjoy our return, our tour. So you guys have to enjoy it. And I hope you are interested to come here. Yeah, you are highly welcome. Or I can connect you with this Skype. So not any company. You can take a tour by yourself. So it's the portable, 55 euro. Dollar is 64 to 67 dollar. You are one person. So it's quite expensive so that I have. But for a moment to invest, you have to do it. No option. You have to do it in the restaurant on your own. Yeah. Though it's very expensive. Okay guys, enjoy our journey back. This point, come and tell you what next later. Okay? Thank you for watching the video guys. Watch the video to the end so that you know more, you understand all these places I was talking about. So see you.
glass for you.
Okay, thanks.
Sardo, and the sausage too is from a little pig that goes in our highest mountain, the Napo. It's not really high, but yes. And the wine is from the
mezza giornata, che non mi mangiano di traverso.
Questo è accompagnato che lavoro io sono come mezza giornata.
Il conto è quando si 4, 5, 6, 6, 9, quindi
Due problemi.
la giornata non sarà. Senza pensi.
Cheese from sheep. Yep. And the sausage from a small type of food. It's a little bit spicy.
Okay. Gracias.
Erano quei 4 che c'erano la tempesta qua. Sono quelli affittati da 40 cavalli.
With the impact created the shape of the settlement.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I think it's the same story because I just read in the Google. Yeah, it's the same like what you said.
Yeah.
The same like what you said.
It's the legend that gave the name of all the mountains.
Ah, yeah. Okay. Is this one or is
No, it's
behind?
behind where we was before.
Yeah.
Here it's not still.
Yeah.
one is the devil settle.
Devil set. Ah.